In this video, we'll use Python to get movie information from the OMDb API. It's a quick and simple project. First, we need an API key from the OMDb website. The link is in the description. Just type your email, click Submit, and you'll get your key by email. I already have mine, so I'll use that. Next, we install the requests module. Just use pip to install it. It helps Python connect to the API and get data from the internet. Now let's go over the script. We start by importing the requests library. Then we add our API key and the main website link. After that, we make a function that takes a movie title. It sends that title to the OMDb API and asks for the movie's details. If the connection works, the function gets a response in JSON format. If the movie exists, it returns all the data. If not, it shows an error message. Then we test it with a movie name. I used Inception as an example. After we get the response from the function, we check if it returned valid movie data. If it did, we print the main details like the title, release year, IMDb rating, genre, and plot. If something went wrong, we simply show the error message instead. When we run the code, it prints the movie title, release year, IMDb rating, genre, and plot. That's it. Super simple. You can try any movie or TV show you like. Just change the title and run it again. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, check out the other Python videos on my channel. See you in the next one.